Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Wandering Gypsy Deb. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a like. Share it with your friends and family if you think it's something that they may like. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Ozark Trail 10 by 10 foot instant screen house. So let's check this out to keep the bugs away and we can relax at our beautiful campsite. Okay, so here we go. Now here's the instructions, and here I'm going to make sure that we look these over real quick because I watched two other YouTube videos and the people put it up inside out. So hopefully I won't do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to put it up down here and then I'll move it over the table. Okay, now this is inside out. That's still inside out. See, the poles have to be on the outside. Maybe they are. All right. All right. Okay, I think I got it figured out. Maybe. And pull these poles out till they snap. Okay. So that's easy enough. It has two doors, one on each side. And there you have it. The Ozark Trail 10 by 10 instant screen tent. The tent was large enough to actually place it over top of our picnic table so we could eat and not be bothered by flies or anything else.
It was also a little shelter when we had a little rainstorm.
Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video when I wander again.